Welcome to DAV Mall Public School, Sita Savangi in our e-learning classes. Dear students, I am your mathematics teacher, Mrs. Rajni Sayed. Today in standard 5th, we will see temperature. Temperature. As the word temperature we listen, what comes in our mind? Yes, fever. When we have fever, we get high temperature. Okay, dear students. Now let's see some questions on temperature. Temperature dash is a measure used to check hotness or coldness of a body. Hot or cold of a body is a measure of what? Temperature. Correct. Then the instrument used to measure temperature of a body is called instrument by which we measure a temperature. Thermometer. Correct. Then the unit used to measure temperature is called. Okay, when we have fever or when we check temperature, what we do? What we use? 90 degrees Celsius. Our temperature is 98 degree or 100 degree. Okay, so degree is a measure of temperature. Unit to measure temperature is degree. Then a doctor's thermometer is called. Doctor is in clinic, so his thermometer will call as clinical thermometer. Then temperature of a healthy adult is, what is the temperature of healthy adult? 98.6 degree Fahrenheit. This you have to remember. Water boils at. Boils at means temperature will be very high. Which is the highest temperature over here? 100 degrees Celsius. Good. Water freezes at. Freezes. Ooh, that is cool. So cool. So which is the lowest temperature over here? Yes, correct. Water freezes at 0 degree Celsius. Then water boils at. Boils at, again we are having boiling point. So here now what we will do? We will measure the temperature in Fahrenheit. Water boils, that is temperature is very high. So which is the highest temperature over here? Yes, 212 degree Fahrenheit. Now water freezes at. Freezing point of water. We know 0 degree comes in Celsius. So which is the lowest? Except 0, 32 degree Fahrenheit. So water freezes at 32 degree Fahrenheit. Then we have to convert this Fahrenheit into Celsius one. So what we do? Yes, first step is to subtract 32 from 122. So answer is 90. Then we multiply by 5 by 9. So 9 ones are 9. 9 tens are 90. So your answer is 10 into 5, that is 50 degree Celsius. Okay dear students, remember this. First subtract, then multiply by 5 by 9 to convert Fahrenheit into Celsius. Okay, again what we'll do? First we'll subtract 32 from 104. Answer is 72. Then multiply by 5 by 9. So 9 ones are 9. 9 eights are 72. Now 8 fives are 40. So the answer will be 40 degree Celsius. Okay dear students. Now we will convert Celsius into Fahrenheit. Okay. Here we will reverse the process. First we will multiply by 9 by 5. So 5 ones are 5. 5 15s are 75. So 15 into 9, that is 135. Then we add 32. In Fahrenheit we have subtracted. Here we have to add 32. And answer will be 167 degree Fahrenheit. Okay, let's see one more example. 9 degrees Celsius. So what we do? First we multiply by 9 by 5. Nothing is cancelling. So answer will be 81 by 5. Now to divide this into degree, or to divide this, what I have done? I have multiplied this by 2. Both the numerator and denominator. So I got 162 upon 10. And dear students, we know if we have 10 in the denominator, just we have to place decimal after one digit. So answer will be 16.2. Then we have to add 32. 16.2 plus 32 is 48.2. So your answer is 48.2 degree Fahrenheit. Remember, we have Fahrenheit, not Celsius. Okay. Understood, dear students? Hope so you have understood this. Now take an assignment. In your assignment, you have to convert the following temperature into other scale. That means Celsius into Fahrenheit and Fahrenheit into Celsius. This you will do in your notebook. Hope so you have understood this. This concept is very easy and interesting. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you. Have a nice day.